St. Carlos Tower, Cessna 5499 Quebec is ready, and just for your information, I'm a student pilot and this is my first solo.
Brakes are good. Ready?
Ready.
Clear prop!
That's a perfect day for your Cessna.
Hey, let's just make sure I can do a couple solid landings, and we'll worry about that after I get that out of the way.
Oh yeah. You'll make it fine.
Fuel is on. Trim is set for takeoff. Flight controls ready. Make sure we're at 1,000. All right. To the left, left goes up, right goes down, right goes up, left goes down. Elevator back, elevator forward, rudder right, rudder left. Controls are free and correct. Our altitude, doors and windows. You
Slow.
Look good?
Yes.
All right.
Just
Ready?
in time.
Ready to rock and roll?
I'm ready.
Whew. All right, let's do it. St. Carlos Tower, Cessna 5499 Quebec, rock complete, ready to stay in the pattern.
Cessna 5499 Quebec, St. Carlos Tower, right close traffic approved, runway 30 clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic approved, runway 30 clear for takeoff. All right. Carlos Tower, Cessna 5499 Quebec's right now, 1430.
Cessna 99 Quebec, runway 30 clear for the option.
Clear for the option 30, 5499 Quebec. What did you think of the first one?
It's good, but
A little bit more center line.
center line. Yeah.
You got it.
Cessna 99 Quebec, runway 30 clear for the option.
Clear for the option 30, 5499 Quebec.
Request a short approach.
Carlos Tower 5499 requesting a short approach.
Cessna Quebec approved, runway 30 clear for the option.
Clear for the option, runway 30, and short approach approved, 5499 Quebec.
Bonanza 1000 Papa.
Are you anxious?
Ready to go.
It's gonna be probably your last landing, man.
That's okay.
Bonanza 10
And then you can do sort of.
I think I'm okay.
Tower, Hill,
Yeah.
Last landing.
runway 30 clear for
Here's the thing, ready? Here's what I thought about.
Clear, thanks.
Number one, I can always go around.
Yes.
Worst case, if I for some reason say I can't land here anymore, I mean, do I go to Half Moon Bay? Like, what do I do if I cannot land the airplane?
Worst case, you can go to Half Moon Bay.
Okay.
You can fuel for like 5 hours.
Yeah, right. Is that why you asked me to fill up, by the way, just in case?
Oh, just in case.
Okay, cool. Okay.
It's the day, man.
Sounds good to me.
If you want to release the stress, you can just, like, when you're taxiing or flying, you can scream or something.
I mean, look at my arm. I think I feel okay, right? I feel pretty relaxed.
You want a pizza or something?
What's that?
You want a pizza?
After this? Hell yeah! Let's go get pizza. Alright, three full stop taxi backs, and then I'll come back to the parking spot.
Yes, first 2 to the left, last one to the right.
You got it.
Perfect.
And I'll tell him I'm a student pilot on my first solo. Is that okay?
Kilo. We know make
Thank you so much, man. Alright, boss. Woo! St. Carlos Tower, Cessna 5499 Quebec is ready, and just for your information, I'm a student pilot, and this is my first solo.
5499 Quebec, San Carlos, ground, roger, runway 30, run up taxi via Lima.
30, run up taxi via Lima. We won't need to run up, we'll just taxi right to 3099 Quebec.
99 Quebec, roger, runway 30, taxi via Lima.
30, taxi via Lima, 99 Quebec. Takeoff checklist. Flap set to 0, mixture set to best power, carburetor heats off. Pitot heat does not apply, heading bug we don't have, transponder is squawking, altitude. Doors, windows, landing lights already on, strobes we don't have. Got 'em. Carlos Tower 5499 Quebec's ready to go. 130.
99 Quebec, hold short runway 30, still waiting for the helicopter to get off the runway.
Roger, thank you. Wind short 3099 Quebec.
So 99 Quebec, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 3099 Quebec. Thank you. Alright, I see no one on final. No one down the runway. Helicopter should be no factor. Last checks. Landing light is on. Camera is good. Final actions, all set, and ship set for takeoff. Oh, that was fantastic. First land.
Whiskey Papa, until crossing
You
the
caught
open
that.
16.